Hello everyone, this is Dr. Morgan Davoudi here in Atlanta, Georgia. We're going to take a couple minutes to answer some questions that we've asked our Instagram followers.
Kaylee wants to know if you could get good results with just a fat transfer, or would you recommend implants?
So great question. There's going to be two factors that are going to decide, how successful the fat transfer to the breast is going to be. If the larger the breast that you have right now, of course, the more fat we can put in there. And of course, if you have plenty of donor side, then we can take that fat so we can do more of a transfer. I do at least 450 cc's to each breast. That's a pretty good transfer. And we can do a lot of fullness to the upper portion of the breast to replace what an implant would do. So this is a great instance where I encourage you to come in for a consultation so I can sit down with you and talk with you and see what your wishes are, what your desires are, and if we can meet those desires based on the amount of fat that you have and based on your current shape and volume of your breast.
Natural Beauty wants to know how much is an abdominoplasty with lipo?
So it range anywhere between 5,000 to 15,000, but then again, it all depends on the type of tummy tuck that you need. Here at Atlantic Center for Cosmetic Surgery, we offer 3 different kinds of levels, all the way from mini tuck to standard tuck, and then we have something in between that we can offer. Once again, I encourage you to come in for a consultation so we can do a thorough exam and have a discussion with you and see what would be the best option.
Perla asks, what's the recovery time for a BBL?
The answer depends on the areas of the body that you have liposuction performed on. Most commonly we do the abdomen, we do the lower back in a 360 fashion. If those are the typical areas that we have done, the recovery time for the liposuction part is less than a week. But of course you can sit on the buttock for at least 3 to 4 weeks after the procedure. We of course provide you with pillows and everything that you can use to stay off the buttock for maximum take.
So Simply Marvelous asked if she needed a slight lift, if implants can do that, or would she need a breast lift?
So it's a great question. If you needed just a little bit of lift, the implant should do that for you. Of course, the larger the implant size, the more of a lift that you're going to get. But there are other procedures that we can do simultaneously with placement of the implant. One example is what we call a dual plane dissection, where we dissect the breast halfway off to the nipple from the muscle, but ultimately we do another pocket underneath the muscle. It takes just a tad bit longer to do, but you tend to get a better lift. We actually have a extensive video that we have done on breast lifts and everything, and we'll make sure that we share that with you. I want to take this opportunity to thank all of our Instagram followers for the excellent questions, and please keep a lookout for more of these sessions to come.